Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple but absolutely gorgeous cowboy butter. Right, so to make this cowboy butter you need a few ingredients. So I've taken a picture of everything on the board looking all nice and presented. You can see there. So you've got horseradish, you've got garlic, you've got Dijon mustard, you've got finely chopped parsley, and that's flat leaf parsley. Then you've got some thyme, some chives, then you've got some chili flakes, some paprika, some salt, pepper and some cayenne pepper, and then also you've got a block of butter, and then finally you've got the zest of half a lemon and the juice of half a lemon. So that's everything I've got here. So I've got this really great big burner thing. You don't have to have that, you can do this in the hob, obviously at home. Don't need this, but obviously I like cooking outside and I just like it. I mean, this has definitely got wok K, so if Uncle Roger's watching this, I'm following your advice and getting some wok K. So let's start this up. Okay, so even though it's a beast, I've only actually got the middle burner going, and the reason that I've got the middle burner going is that I'm going to warn you of this before we even start. You do not want to get the butter too hot. You literally want the butter to be melting really gently. Then we're going to put all the ingredients in, stir it for literally 30 seconds just to combine it, and then you take it off, and that's it, your butter done. If you get the butter too hot, it's going to separate. So you have your milk solids and then you have your oil. You don't want that, because basically then you've got oil butter. That would be disgusting. So you just need to melt it gently, not take it to too high a temperature. So just be really careful of that. It's better to go really slowly and just doing it up to a really gentle heat, and that way you've got your perfect butter. You just don't want to take it too far. So pan on, and then we're just going to add our butter. So it already had that too hot, so I'm just taking off the heat a little bit. I just want it to melt really gently. So I'm going to add the final piece of butter. Just wait for that to melt a little bit. So I've got this turned right down now. So next I'm going to add the horseradish, the garlic and the Dijon mustard. Carry on stirring. Then I've got the lemon juice. So next I'm adding the chili flakes. You've got paprika, cayenne and a bit of salt, pepper. Just add all those straight in. So you can see the butter's melting, but it's not getting too hot, because like I say, if you get it too hot it's going to separate and then you're just going to have oil, and you do not want that. And then finally we're going to add in our fresh herbs. There's parsley. That's your finely chopped chives, and then your thyme. So you can see, even though it is actually all melting, you're not getting that separation. And you're going to keep mixing it, combining it, and then once this bit of butter's all melted, that's it, we're going to be done. So you can do this ahead of time of when you actually need it, because once you've got this combined, you can always gently reheat it so that you're serving it nice and warm. And the ideal thing for this is that you get your steak and you just dip it in it and you just enjoy it, because it is absolutely stunning. And that's it, we are done. And that is your gorgeous cowboy butter.